$5 trillion transacted daily. The global markets are not prepared for what's next. Big players will need to realign. This is a pre-Google moment right now. The pivotal moment for our generation. This is how AI will change everything. Looking back, the development of Google was obvious. Next opportunity for AI companies is not models, it's global markets. This is how a new AI database will match intents anyone on the planet. When we look at current marketplaces like Amazon and eBay, they're all systems to match buyers with sellers. And each of those marketplaces, they each have their own interface, website, algorithm, and set of available items. They each have an individual shopping cart. You cannot buy something from eBay and Amazon at the same time. All those traditional marketplaces are limited to one website. Introducing the AI economy. I believe that we will be able to buy globally whatever we want, not through websites, but through AI agents that match our buying intent with the right seller. That means you can have one checkout for multiple vendors at the same time. Well, I have become weary of algorithms taking my choice of what I want to see, and that's why I use ChatGPT all the time to search for stuff. Google's ranking just got totally infested with unuseful content and SEO-optimized articles. And like myself, many have switched to AI to get more helpful results instead of searching on Google. So it was quite obvious for ChatGPT to integrate a shopping checkout experience into the chat experience. So we can already buy stuff through ChatGPT. What this means is that the front end, the actual website we go to buy stuff like on Amazon.com, becomes less important for buyers. Vendors will want to make it easier for AI to do checkouts on their websites. We will probably see more companies offer a programmatic checkout that is not only compatible with ChatGPT, but also with other AI, and we will find a technical solution to offer those checkouts programmatically and automatically through AI agents. This will grow far beyond physical products. This will also entail real-world services and autonomous services, microservice software, where the AI could decide that a certain vendor offers just what we need in our situation on a per-usage basis. I believe this new AI economy will make it much more feasible to offer completely new business models. The basis for this is that ultimately, every person and every company will get its own AI API to offer an AI agent information about what we offer and what we want. A company might publish intent to hire a certain person, but also intent to buy certain parts for manufacturing. An AI agent could then interact with different providers to get the best price and also look for the perfect candidate for that job offer. For example, you want to build a small rocket. To get an exact price estimation, you'd need to list all the stuff you'd need, get quotes from certain providers, calculate all the shipping, find the best deals on certain parts, and then buy all those 215 parts from different vendors. Well, that's quite cumbersome, but in the AI economy, the AI will retrieve individual quotes based on need and order everything for you. Even outside of business, there would be a ton of use cases for this kind of technology and network of intent matching. For example, you are looking for a partner and could make very detailed description of who you're looking for. This goes far beyond some parameter search, because the AI could match based on many more semantic attributes. Not everything we post into that network of intents needs to be public. We can also publish things privately, and the AI will privately match to partners. This will be interesting for organizations with non-monetary goals to find like-minded people that could help with a certain mission. If you're a freelancer, you could find clients that you never would have found without the AI, because you might be just the logical best choice that the AI has found among 43,000 freelancers. So it will be wise in the future to offer very specific quality services. This new system will also be amazing to finding teammates and matching persons with the same mind to work on the same project. This might make it possible to realize projects that have never been feasible before. How will this matching database actually look like? Well, I don't know. Maybe it's a vector database. Maybe it's something else. Well, we have two paths to choose. Either one of the big tech players is going to offer a service and lock everybody in to their system, forcing everyone to play under their rules, or we as humanity will make it possible to decentralize such a foundational part of our future. It is quite obvious that we need better payment solution for such a system, and of course crypto comes to mind here. And there are already projects out there, for example a stablecoin from Cloudflare that supports AI agents' use of that. I believe that we need to make sure right now that such a technology gets to be decentralized so that everybody gets to participate in the markets. We need democratized access to the AI economy. This new AI economy will also help push the world into crypto-based identities. We can see this already happening with WorldCoin. An AI economy will have a real use case for this, because we need to make sure that we trust an automated trading partner. This will be true for individuals and for companies. There are also a lot of dangers involved. Of course, that there could be many scams. We would need trust and security measures to make sure a seller is trustworthy. Another danger is that the AI could match only buyers that want to buy from certain people and companies with a certain political belief or even religious belief. And this would be very bad for our economy and the people. There are so many new opportunities that await those who get in early, those who build the foundations right now to offer an AI worldwide economy that is so much more efficient, that matches anyone with anyone in the world, to build new things, to invent new inventions, to found new companies, to work on things non-monetary, to find partners, and to spend less time exploring buying options. Even in the financial services, there's so much possibility. I think it is obvious that this is where the world is heading right now. I believe this is a pre-Google moment right now. And it is our generation's responsibility to build this on a good foundation, to make sure that human rights are accepted, that privacy is there, and that we all get to participate in these kinds of markets, no matter what belief we have. This is a pivotal moment for our generation. We get to decide, are we going to build an AI economy that's decentralized, that's unbiased by belief systems, that is secure, trustworthy, but still offers global economy that fosters efficient exchange of information, intelligence, services, goods, and so much more. I'm so excited for what's next. See you in the next video.